We're back in lesson 1.2. We're now on part 3. Part 3, we get to revert back. We get to use some of our Algebra 1 skills. We get to use the FOIL method. We get to use the distributive property. Our problem says, write that function in standard form. What form is it in right now? That's right. It's in intercept form right now. And we're going to take that intercept form and we're going to change it to standard form. So let's take our function over to the right board and let's do this. Y equals negative 2 times x plus 5, x minus 8. All right, the first thing that we have to do is let's go ahead and use the FOIL method on our binomial x plus 5 and our binomial x minus 8. To do that, we do first outside, inside, last. So we're going to go x times x is x squared. That's the first multiplication. The outside multiplication is x times a minus 8 or a negative 8, which produces a minus 8x. That's our outside. I like to change colors for the inside and the last. No problem. 5 times x is positive 5x. And then 5 times a minus 8 is a minus 40. Now, negative 2 did not drop off the face of the earth. It is still there. We just didn't utilize it in step 1. But we have to bring it down. Now, do you notice anything about the negative 8x and the positive or the plus 5x? Absolutely. Like terms, we combine like terms. And those two like terms produce negative 3x or minus 3x. Did not affect the x squared term or the minus 40 term. And you're right. The negative 2 is still there. So we use the FOIL method. Back from Algebra 1, I bet you worked 1,000 FOILs in your life. So we can do this. Now we have to use the distributive property. It's like the mailman. Everybody gets that piece of junk mail on the road. The next house gets that junk mail. The next house gets that junk mail. When you use the distributive property, everything inside the parentheses gets multiplied by negative 2. Negative 2x squared plus 6x plus 80. And my y equals comes down. I have transformed my intercept form into standard form by using the FOIL method and the distributive property. That is the third part of lesson 1.2.